What's up everyone? So today Yoshi gonna do oil change 2015 GTI Volkswagen. Let's go! By the way, this oil Royal Purple 5w-40, I like it. I kinda recommend you. I usually wear plastic glove, ice, good stuff, so it's not too expensive. I think you should get it. I'm gonna use the jack. Not super good idea, but if you don't have like a garage jack, I think you can use it this one for severe time. I'm using one card box, then two garbage bag. Like this. I think it's gonna work. This is the oil drain. This is old oil drain plug, and then this is new one. So can you see the O-ring? The grabber ring is kind of flat already. So I think you should change oil drain all the time when you change oil, because it's gonna leak little bit. This is 32 gear wrench. It's double socket, 6 point, and then this is 3/8 ratchet. It's not hard, super easy for oil filter, for changing oil filter. This is the oil filter bundle. 32mm. I put the mark on it, so before take cap off. Not too tight. It's 25 plus 5 Nm, but if you don't have a torque wrench, just put the mark on it and then put it back. Be careful, it's bunch of oil in there. So leave it like that for a while, and the oil goes down to oil pan, and then came out from an engine because the drain plug is still open. The O-ring, and then this tiny screwdriver on it, and then take it off. This is new O-ring. Just put it back and make sure the right position. Some people say you don't need to change it, but I definitely change. You should change it all the time. Not this one. You don't need to change this rubber ring for this engine, but this one always. And then most of engine, most this O-ring too, but this one is okay. Put new filter on it. This one doesn't have like a top or bottom side, so just put it back. Make sure it's nice and tight. more than 30 minutes I left it, and then the oil doesn't come out much anymore. So let me put the drain plug on it. And this is the mark for point. Then check the oil leaking, and then check the axle shaft boots or anything under the car. I think everything okay. Check the brakes. Not so great, but it's alright. This one too. Today little windy. I think I'm gonna mess up. GTI tech. So 6 watts. I already put the 5 of them and then check the locks like this. So let me put the half of them. Still half. Right now. Started an engine. Like middle, little low. No, I think it's good. Check the level gauge cap and then the coolant level cover back on it. Hold 00 button. Start engine button. So 10,100. So everything done. Pet boy?
Yeah. Okay, let's go
This
then.
is Pet boy. Thank you, Pet boy.